Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, January 13th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. And, we've had 8 trading days so far this year. 6 of them have had gaps. 5 upside, 1 downside. Only 1 gap is held by the end of the day. Now, what's going on here? Well, with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, look at this. We're pushing towards yesterday's low. What would that mean? Well, if we take out yesterday's low, we go back to balance on the daily, right? The market's been going balance, bull, balance, bull. Are we going to go back to balance again? It remains to be seen. Remember, we said one day doesn't make a market, back and forth through the 200 yesterday. Well, right now we're firmly under the 200 by about, $3, $4. So we're going to see how that happens. More importantly, though, for the bulls is to hold yesterday's low, right? Obviously, they want to do that. You don't want to go back to balance again, but that's a possibility here. We will be recapping all 3 of our indices charts tonight. So right now, what's the game plan? Well, they spent a lot of time overnight basically writing value in balance. So here we are with just 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. Sellers are trying to break away from yesterday's pretty much sideways trade action after failing to get the overnight high when they were there so many times, and now trying to push out of the intraday balance to yesterday's low. So this could be pretty interesting. So what's the game plan? Okay, there's a lot of time left. So first things first, whether it's now or at 9:30, if you push down against yesterday's low, since we are one time framing up, I guess the first time you could take a long there to see if buyers defend the one time framing up in the daily. Keep in mind, however, it will be with lower value if you take that long against there. So that's one possibility. On the flip side, if in the next 75 minutes we trade right back up into the middle of this range, there's really not much there. Okay? Not much there. We had a 9-wide POC. We have an overnight. Now, again, I'm in bigger increments here. I'm not sure how wide this overnight is. I'm in 4-tick increments. So, but there would be a speed bump up around here. If in the next 75 minutes we open right inside of here, no trade. If, however, in the next 75 minutes we're around this level and we open and push up, first time I might take a short against both value low and halfback from yesterday to see if we keep value lower. Again, all early plays. Remember, for $30 a month, ladies and gentlemen, that's $1 a day. You're getting these live. It's a live webinar. This is being live streamed all day, and I'm giving basically a play-by-play what the market's attempting to do, what I'm looking to do, and how and why, what is going on. So come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. And then just quickly, just going to show you the daily. Now, we had a lot of bank earnings out this morning. Again, earnings don't really matter to me that much. I'm going to look at what the S&P is doing. Unless you're trading those individual stocks, it really does not matter as much to me. So here's what we were talking about. Balance, bull, balance, bull. Are we going to come back to balance? Quite possibly. 90 million yesterday, second heaviest volume so far of our early year. Again, the 50-day moving average right now is at 397.52. I'm sorry, the 200. I always get those mixed up. The 50 is down at 390.29. So again, if we take out yesterday's low, well, we're only $2 away from the 50. So remember, we were pinned between the 20 and the 50. Well, right now it looks like, at least initially to start today, we'll be pinned between the 50 and the 200. Good luck trading today. We'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.